Hi, I'm Joe with Clarks Landing Yacht Sales in Point Pleasant, New Jersey, #1 Beneteau boat dealer in the United States. Today, I'd love if you joined us through a walkthrough on the Antares 9. This is one of our most popular models. This is a 30-foot versatile cabin cruiser designed for entertaining, overnighting, a little bit of fishing, and pretty much as much versatility as you can pack into a 30-foot boat as possible. Join me through a walkthrough so I can show you some of the awesome features this boat provides. So here we are in the rear cockpit of the Antares 9, and there's just so much to talk about back here. You have a beautiful side door for boarding or using at the sandbar with a boarding ladder. You have twin 250 horsepower Mercury V8 Verados with joystick controller. These motors are quiet, smooth, and provide plenty of power. This boat's performance is awesome. So here we are standing under the massive hardtop that provides tons of shade and protection from the elements. You have a integrated backup camera for your Garmin so you can see what's behind you when you're backing into a slip or towing a tube. You also have beautiful wraparound U-shaped seating with storage, and it comes with a table so you can put the table up right here and enjoy your favorite foods and drinks with your family. One of the awesome features this boat has is this super wide walkthrough on the starboard side. It makes it so easy to get from bow to stern when you're docking in the wind and you need to rush around and get your dock lines tied up. You have a high bow rail on the hardtop and a low bow rail on the gunnel for safety as you're walking bow to stern. The Salon area of the Antares 9 has a lot to talk about as well. I'm sitting here with the fold-out dinette table that opens up and also drops down with a cushion so you can make this a berth. Awesome features are your windows, sunroof, and your side door. I love that side door. It makes, again, docking very easily. You can scoot right out of there, grab your dock line, and put it right on your midship cleat for an easy docking experience in the wind or in the current. You have an extremely convenient galley area for preparing food and drinks. You have a double stovetop, freshwater sink. Open up the storage below to find an awesome refrigerator. You also have a trash receptacle and a microwave oven. Here at the Helm, Beneteau provides factory mounted electronics. You're going to have a full color, full touchscreen Garmin display. That's a GPS, depth finder, and fish finder. You have your Mercury Vessel View engine monitor display. You have all of your switches easily accessible across your dashboard with a black acrylic finish. Joystick by Mercury, as well as a bow thruster. With a joystick and a bow thruster, it makes docking a breeze. Anybody with little to no experience takes a little bit of time to learn how to dock this boat because they give you all the tools to make it as easy as possible. The cabin of the Beneteau Antares 9 has room to sleep 4 people. You could sleep 2 on the V berth and 2 in the mid berth of this boat. It has tons of storage, multiple LED lights, as well as a head with a shower, and you can add whatever size TV you would like, and it has air conditioning and heat. Here we are on the bow of the Antares 9 with a super comfortable sun pad up here. It has raised up backrest if you'd like to sit upright. It also has a bow shade with carbon fiber poles, so you can cover this whole area with a nice shade. Of course, with a boat of this caliber, you're gonna have an easy windlass anchor that you can deploy with a touch of a button. It's a large plow style anchor that's gonna hold the boat steady for your times at the sandbar with your family. The fiberglass hardtop of the Antares 9 has integrated stainless steel safety grab handles. It has a searchlight, as well as the ability to add night vision or radar. Just let us know. Our service department can take care of that for you. There's no competition if you're looking for the utmost of versatility like this boat provides. We have this in stock and available at Clarks Landing Yacht Sales. You can call us or visit us today. We're located at 847 Arnold Ave, Point Pleasant. My name's Joe. I really appreciate you watching our video.